What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome to We Teach AI Designs. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create this inside Midjourney. Let's get right into it. All right, dope. So once we sign into Midjourney, we want to go ahead and, kind of just preview things on our home tab, go to your community feed. I always like to start here. From here, I like to kind of just go through and get some inspiration. Okay, what do I want to kind of change? What do I want to modify? I see a lot of like dope stuff. This is in the artist community right here. A lot of Snoop Dogg stuff. I see that's like really going. Snoop Dogg is Gollum. That's super dope. So I think I saw something that I really like. Let's try this design right here. It says epic matrix, cute girl, warrior background, HDR, high details, full details, all of that dope stuff. So I really like the image. I think I want to go ahead, kind of change it up, modify it just a little bit. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the three dots. I'm going to click copy prompt. What that allows me to do is be able to copy everything that you see here in the description, so that way I can make some modifications and kind of make it my own. All right, so the first thing we want to do, we have a Discord tab open. We go to our direct messages, Midjourney bot. First thing we want to click is the imagine prompt, paste. From here is where I want to make my changes. Epic matrix, cute girl. Let's go ahead and select. Cute. Let's say older grandmother. As a matter of fact, let's specify it. It being black grandmother. Okay, perfect. Warrior background, HDR, all of the details I really enjoyed. I really liked. I thought that was pretty cool. So I'm gonna keep it the same. As a matter of fact, with the 70 millimeter, I'm gonna go with 24 millimeters because I just want to see what that looks like. Candid sharp. So all I did was change the change it from a little girl to a older woman. So we're gonna go into that, and we want to actually make it a portrait. So we're going to hit -AR2 3. Perfect. That's how we make it a portrait. Click enter. And while that loads, we're going to pause and come right back to it. Okay, so it looks like Midjourney is complete. Let's go ahead and review our images. Top left hand corner. That's one. Let's take a look here. Really like it. Top right hand corner. I love the way it kind of just shines from the left side. Her earrings really glows. Bottom left, love it. Bottom right, love it. Love the intricacies of the glasses. So yeah, I think I really dig it. I think I'm going to go ahead and upscale 1, 2, and 3. Really gives me the good vibe that I was looking for. I'm gonna upscale 2, upscale 3. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a variation of 4, because this little mark right here by the glasses, not really sure if that's a glitch or intentional. So we're gonna get a variation of that because I just want a different version of it and see what that looks like. Let me kind of make sure that we are spelling everything correct. Spacebar. Okay, cool. Submit. Now with that remix prompt, what that allows me to do is be able to make changes to the variation. So that way, I think it's just come out just a whole lot better. Looks like we have, you have reached the maximum amount of number of concurrent jobs. What that means is I've upscaled it. I've made 3 upscales and I'm making a 4th variation. So they're going to wait until these 3 are that's upscaled. We're going to wait, and they're going to wait until that's done before they actually work on my variation. So we're going to fast forward the video and get right into it. Okay, dope. I really love how these came out. We've upscaled it. See a whole lot more detail here. This is my second one that I upscaled. A lot more detail. Love it, love it, love it, love it. We hit variation on the third one, and this is our variations. You know what? I'm feeling that third one. I think that third one really fits the ideal look I'm going for. So that is how I created these images on Midjourney. Feel free to watch the end of the video so that way you can see the prompts.